Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you had or you are having a great week so far. As the market has given us opportunities to capitalize on Monday, and today it's giving us even more opportunities to capitalize on. In this video, I want to talk about my analysis for gold and US30. Just to show you where we're at this moment. I was starting off with gold and from the weekly time frame, work my way down to the 4 hour time frame. Now, on the weekly time frame, we can see that so far this week has been bullish. Price has broken out of this resistance level to the upside, and I'm currently on this trade about 350 pips in the profit so far. And now price has got into this resistance zone here. Not a major resistance zone, but still a resistance zone where price has halted a little bit. So, and we're expecting two things to happen at this zone. One, either price retraces back down to this support level here before continuing its uptrend, or price breaks it and then continues all the way to its all-time to the all-time high for gold. Um, Again, it's a minor resistance level because this level has not been tested before, so we are not sure how strong the level is, whether it will hold or not. But my bet is even if it holds now, it will break eventually when price comes through, and it will most likely be a very strong break. If we go to the daily time frame, we can see that, like I said, yesterday was strongly bullish and moved us up quite a bit, and now today we've got into this resistance level here, and price is just hesitating around that level. So, like I mentioned earlier, two things can happen at this level. One, for price to retrace back down to this support level, give us another opportunity again to buy from here, and then breaks, and then back to the upside, and hopefully breaks this resistance level, retest it, and then continues to the top. Okay, so this is one possibility. Another possibility is price just breaking through this level without coming all the way back down to the 1970 level before retest. And price can just break this level, then retest, and then go all the way to the 2075 level. Um, so these are the two possibilities that we are looking at now. As price has gotten to this resistance area. Now on the 4 hourly time frame where I normally take my entry, again you can see that what we're expecting for this week, price came up through here. So price was at this level here at the start of the week, and then price came up, came back down to retest the area, and this is where we entered our trade, and then back up to this level here. So if you took this trade from this level around the 1970 and you're still in this trade, I would say take partial profit, move your stops to break even, and then we'll see how price reacts. If price breaks this level to the upside, then we'll wait for a retest, wait for a bullish confirmation, enter more positions here, move our stops towards this area here, and then enter more positions and take it all the way to the 70 the 2075 level. On the other hand, what can happen as well is price rejecting off this level and coming back down to this support level here. And if that happens, then we'll look for a bullish confirmation here as well, to take trades back to the upside, and hopefully price breaks this level again, and then we can enter more buy positions to the upside. So even if price retraces to the downside, I wouldn't encourage you to sell, because whatever down move happens, it's most likely just a retracement. Again, however, the retracement can go further than this support level here and even break the support level lower, but most likely this is a very strong support level now, because it was a strong resistance level that broke, therefore has become a strong support level to me. And even if price retraces, that's where I'll be looking to take my buy opportunity from. So just to recap, we're at a crossroads now, expecting one of two things: either price to retrace down to this level before going to the upside, or price to continue from this level straight to the upside. So make sure you manage your trades properly for gold, as gold moves very well and can easily blow your account. Next, I'll be talking about my analysis for US30. So for US30, again, starting from the weekly time frame, we can see that price has gotten to this resistance level again, around the 32,000 level. And initially, price tested, broke through that level, came back down to test it, and tested it again and again. So we've tested that level about 3 times now, and price has rejected off it, and that's what we can see so far on this weekly candle. Price this massive rejection of that 32,000 level. Now, if we go to the daily time frame, we can see the candlestick forming on the daily time frame, and that is this bullish pin bar, which we know is a strong indication of a buy trade. Now, this candle hasn't closed yet for the day, so this candle can form either way. It can actually come up here and then go all the way back down, or it can even close bearish. So we have to be very careful. But so far, it looks like price is forming what we call a double bottom pattern. And also, if you remember from my last for my weekend analysis, I said that price is in this range, and then two things can happen: either a break out of the range to the upside, or a break to the downside. I was actually expecting a break to the downside to the upside, but that didn't happen, and price broke to the downside, and I took my trade from there all the way down to this support level here, which was very profitable. And now price has now rejected off that level and given us this bullish signal, which if you trade the daily time frame, I would say not to rush and trade, because the candle hasn't closed. But if it closes this way, then most likely price would continue to the upside. Now, if we go to the 4-hour candle, we can see clearly the double bottom pattern I was talking about. If we take our price all the way from there down to this 32,000 level, back up here to the neck, and then back down, you see that price got to this neck here, now forming this bullish candlestick pattern, which most likely I expect for price to continue to the upside, breaking this neck and possibly all the way to either this level here or to the 36,000 level, completing this double bottom pattern. So this is one thing I'm looking at, but I would say before you enter the trade, wait for this 4-hour candle to close and see how it closes before you enter your trade. And if we go to the 1-hour time frame as well, if we do trade the 1-hour time frame, we can see that price got to this level here from this doji candle at a support level, which is mostly a reversal signal, and then from this strong bullish candle. Now price is here at this there's a resistance level here as well, but price is hesitating a little bit now around this area. If price do break strongly above this area, then most likely would the buy trade will be confirmed. There's still that possibility that price could get up here, okay, and bounce from this level to the downside. So we have to be very careful as well, and then continue that down move. But on the other hand, there's also that possibility that price will just break it and then continue all the way to the top. If we go back to the 4-hour time frame, yeah, so this is what I'm saying, that even though we're expecting a double bottom pattern to form, that since this area here is still a sort of resistance area, because you can see it here, tested here, price came all the way down to test it again, up, down, tested it initially, went up, and then broke it. So it's possible that price could get here and then reverse all the way to the downside, either breaking this level or bouncing from this level as well, and then continuing to the top. So these are possibilities that can happen, and the reason why I'm mentioning all these possibilities is because it's just to let you know that anything can happen in the forex market, so we need to be very careful and always have a stop loss. So if you're willing to enter this buy trade for US30 and trading this double bottom pattern, then you should know that you should have a very good stop loss. And if you do enter your trade here, once this candle closes, then your stop loss should be below this resistance level here, so about 1,000 here, and then your take profit one would probably be at this level here as well, just at the neck, and then take profit two just at this level, and take profit three finally around the 36,000 level over here. So this is what I will be trading for US30, and I'm willing to take this risk and put my stop loss here. And if price goes down to hit my stop loss, then that's it. But for me personally, I will be trading the double bottom pattern. But again, that's me being me willing to take my risk. Like I said, um, you should be very careful because price can end up going to the downside and continuing the down move as well. So make sure you don't risk so much. So this has been my analysis for gold and US30. I hope this video has been very helpful. If it has, kindly leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel to help us grow. I'll leave a link to my Telegram channel in the description below. Thank you very much for watching, and have a lovely week ahead. Peace.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't